In this video I am going to give you an overview of CRM. So in CRM we have this grid view and list view, and from here we are able to add the deals. Like I am already adding one deal here, and we export data from here, import data, and in deal section if we go to deal ID, then here we are able to edit about deal, follower, contact, organization, which I already covered how to edit it in previous videos. From here we change the stage of our deal and history will be stored here. And suppose if we want to see only the activity, then we just click here and only activity is shown. Similarly, these all are like for seeing only what we want to see. And from here we add a note, add activity like this. In activity it includes call, email, meeting, task. Activity can be anything from these. We are able to send mail, add file, doc generator. And from here we mark our deal if won, lost, or we want to delete, or we want to reopen. See, all details are covered already in previous videos, so if you want then go and check in. This is the context section. From here we add contacts, and from here we import data. And this is the filter. Suppose we want to see the contacts assigned to unassigned only, or assigned to test Rashi only, then we are able to see from here. This is the email section. Email section is operated only when our account is connected. Suppose here this is connected, then now it will be operated. From here we compose mail. A mail may be one or bulk, or this. From here we check inbox, sent box, email tracking, email journey, and templates. These all are covered in again in previous videos in detail. This is our activity section. From here we add activity. From here we see our activities, and these are all filters which we able to apply it. Call section, campaign, reports, and dashboard. This is our day mode and this is our night mode. From here we search the deal IDs either by phone number, email, or deal ID. This is our profile section. Here account information are present in profile. This is user section. Here from here we invite users and give access to the pipeline also to them. Like suppose from here we give access to pipeline also. These are our Facebook leads, teams. Details of teams are again in previous videos. From here we add business head or remove business head. From here we create a team. Calls, email setting, pipeline and stages. These are our pipeline and stages. From here we are able to add email integration. From here we connect or disconnect our email. Manage calendar, lead forms, GDPR, doc generator, invoice, and these are all the this is the overview for the CRM. That's it. From here we reset also. Thank you.